Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Moss, and today I'm gonna show you how to install React 17 for the free codecamp front-end development courses. For the sake of simplicity, I'm using the legacy Create React app, and you can follow my instruction on how to do it. Let's assume that you have already installed the Visual Studio Code and Node.js and Yarn packages, the package manager. Let's start with the command prompt. I'm using the Visual Studio Code without any extensions for this tutorial. Then we can type code and space and use the dash disable dash extensions, and then we can press enter on your keyboard, and then we can resize the font by using the control and plus sign, or control and the minus sign beside your backspace button. Okay, so this part is the Explorer section. This is your project directory and the open file, and this one is your terminal. You can just do terminal like as a command prompt, and then you can go to the Explorer and how to hide or unhide the Explorer tab. You can use the control and then you press B. If you want to show it again, you can press the control B again, and then you can resize the Explorer tab, and then you can click right here to create a new React project. So we can just add folder to workspace, and then we can choose your designated folder, designated project folder or directory, and you can create folder, and you can just this one for the tutorial, and then we can add, and then it will show up on your Explorer tab, and then you can click on it, and then we can create a new folder, and you can just create React app directory. It will be created under this folder, under this tutorial. And if you want to see the on your File Explorer, you can just refill in File Explorer, or you can just press Save, Alt and R, like this one. Save, Alt and R, and then it will show up in the tutorial, and then this directory. Okay, let's minimize it first, and then we can click on this part, and then click on this directory, and then you can copy the full path, copy the path like by Shift, Alt and C. Okay, let's Shift, Alt and C, and then you can paste on your terminal with the command cd space, and then you can press Ctrl V to paste on your full path from earlier, and this your full path, and then you can check for the Node version. If it has not been installed, and then you can refer to the Node documentation, and then you can check for the yarn version. It's like a Node, but you can install the Create React app. I will choose the yarn for the to prevent the error. You can on this folder, on this Create React app, under the tutorial directory, you can create your new Create React app application with the yarn, but I forgot how to create React app. Create React app. Get started. We choose the yarn, and then we can copy this one. Copy. Okay, for the you can just like use me close the Explorer tab first, Pressing Control B and then press yarn, and then create space React app space my app. Yarn is for your package manager, and then space create is for your create the React application, and this name is the create React application for your playground. And then this my app is the directory folder, the directory name for the React application that you want to place to. So create React my app and then press enter, and then wait until it's finished. And now the installation has been completed with the my app, and the node modules it's for your modules, and then public is for your front end, for your displaying and the logo and etc. And for the sources is for your codes, and then the package.json you need to click it, and then we can downgrade it to the React version, which is 17.0.2, and we can downgrade it to 0.2, and then it should be completed, and then we can press save or press Ctrl and S to save it. We can open directory of my app, which is your React application folder. You can use tab to autocomplete the directory name or the folder name. You can press enter, and then we press the npm install, and then press enter. It will install the React and the React DOM version. Or if you want to run it through, just use the npm on your terminal, npm, and press the start, npm and start, npm space start, and then it will show up on your my app. Cannot resolve React DOM client my app. Okay. Okay, we found an error, which is module not found. Error cannot resolve React -DOM /client in my app /src. We can just check for the, you can choose the source folder inside the my app, and then you can choose the index.js, and then you can see that there is a React DOM /client. You can just delete the /client and just choose the React DOM, and then just comment the report web files. You can press the control and the slash button on your keyboard, and then it will comment the code, and then you can comment this one. You can also comment this one, and then you can just delete this one, not deleting but like commenting this one, and then you can choose you can use the second parameter from this render, which is the with comma and then space, and then you can copy this one, copy the root, get element by ID, document.get element by ID root. Why root is because root is in the folder. The the component folder, the component of this one, of the public, and then the index HTML root, this one from the root on the line 31. This is the root, the designated rendering place, and this the index.js, and then we can save it again. We can save to see if it still contains an error. Root is not defined. Root is not defined, so root, you need to change the root with the React DOM, and then use the render. It's okay with just duplicate it, it's just for the testing purpose. React DOM dot render React DOM from this one. Okay, like that, just save, and then webpack compiled successfully, and then we can see the result. React app is completed, and then if you want to edit, you can change the app.js in this one. My name is Thomas. Then we can save by pressing Ctrl and S, and then we can see it will be automatically saved, and then refresh the page again, like automatically refresh the page every time you save this file. And then you can see the result. My name is Thomas is out here. If you want to delete, just delete it like normal, and then we can press B to make it spacey. Control B, and then the sidebar will be hidden, and then we can delete this, and we can return it to normal, and then press save, Control S, and then it will be reloaded automatically, and then it will show up as normal. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you have a great day, and see you next time. Bye bye.